Welcome to WealthMind AI Hub, the place where artificial intelligence meets financial success. Today, we're diving into the secrets of how AI is revolutionizing wealth building strategies, passive income, and business automation. If you're ready to make money while you sleep, stay tuned. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's changing the financial world. From algorithmic trading to AI-driven investment platforms, smart money is being made without lifting a finger. Imagine having an AI assistant that analyzes stocks, predicts trends, and executes trades for you. That's already happening. What if I told you that AI can generate passive income for you 24/7? Let's break it down. AI-powered YouTube automation. Tools like Pictory and Synthesia create videos for you without needing to record anything. AI-driven e-commerce, Shopify stores running on AI chatbots and automated marketing. AI stock trading bots, systems that predict market trends and place trades automatically. Affiliate marketing used to be manual, but AI tools like Jasper and WriteSonic now generate high-converting content in seconds. AI SEO tools can optimize blogs, YouTube descriptions, and social media ads, bringing in passive traffic and revenue. If you want to build a money-making machine, here's a step-by-step AI-driven business model. 1. Choose an AI niche: finance, automation, digital products. 2. Use AI tools to create content: YouTube, blogs, newsletters. 3. Automate social media marketing with AI chatbots. 4. Monetize with AI, affiliate programs, and digital products. Still skeptical? Let's look at real case studies of people making six figures using AI. Entrepreneurs who use AI to write books, generate YouTube videos, or run dropshipping businesses are growing their income exponentially. AI is here, and it's not waiting for anyone. If you want to be part of the next financial revolution, start automating your income streams today. Subscribe to WealthMind AI Hub for more AI-powered business strategies. And check out the links below for tools that can get you started. The future is automated. Will you be left behind? AI and wealth strategies. How AI is creating millionaires. Automate your wealth in 2024. How AI is creating millionaires. Automate your wealth in 2024. AI, money machines. How to build wealth while you sleep.